Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to retrieve and deploy the component from one Salesforce organization to a different Salesforce organization. As all of we know, we basically use Eclipse, Chainset, ANT tool for the deployment purpose. So a newly Salesforce ID has been introduced, that is aside.io. This ID, as we don't have to bother about Salesforce security token as of now, as we have to give a security token in ANT tool as well as in Eclipse. So before going to tell you how this works, I have two different organization which is open in my two different org. One end is in Google Chrome and one end is in IE. So what do you have to do? You have to just Google and you have to write aside.io. So a black screen comes. So you can change the layout whatever you want. If it is white or a black. So yeah, this is not only for retrieving or deploying the components. Here you can go and you can create your own visual force pages, apex classes, triggers, components and everything. So whatever you have done, it will be directly after saving, it will be reflected to your particular organization. And before logging to this instance, it will ask you if, in which credential you want. You want a sandbox or a production. Since I'm using my own dev org, so I'll go ahead and I'll click on the production org. So the verification process also happens. So that's why we don't have to bother about security token in this way. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and I'll click on this push button. So this push button only will help me to retrieve and deploy the things. You can see the select a filter. It says whatever you want to. If I want all coded objects and validation, I'll go ahead and click on this one. Or something I have written today only, I want to only deploy for particular thing. I can go code created today and all that stuff. And if you want for particular thing, you can create your own filter, whatever you want for to retrieve or deploy. So as convenient way, I'll click on all code. So whatever the things are there in my particular organization, this organization, it will get back to me. Yeah, as now you can see. So here is the two option. One is retrieve and one is download package. So if I click on retrieve, it will say nothing to package because I haven't added anything in my package yet. So what I'll do, I'll click on this one, I'll add selected. So right now for convenient way, I am adding only one the thing, or you can go ahead and you can select all the things. After selecting this one, I'll retrieve it and I'll download. So a package is already downloaded. I'll go to open folder. I'll take this and I'll copy to desktop. Just for convenient way, I'll rename it to zip package. So if you want to say what exactly is there in this package, extract all here. So I have a folder name as SRC. Since I have selected only one class, you can see only one class is there with the metadata. And this package contains the type and the member. Yeah, you have selected this one, right? We have selected this account and this is a part of Apex class. So if you want every class, if you have changed your mind, no, I have to deploy everything, then you have to just give the star one. Stars signifies that you want everything to retrieve or a deploy. So as of now, I'll be going ahead with one. So my part is done, retrieving part is done. Now I have to push it to the this organization, right? So same thing, I'll go ahead, I'll click on push one. So I already have a package in my hand ready. So what I have to do, there is nothing a rocket science. I have to just take it, drag it and push it here. Oops, sorry, I was selecting the folder. I have to select the zip file. Yeah, we have to select zip file, not a folder, just this one. So it will give me the result. So I can go ahead, I can type my deployment. So I can check the status here as well as here. So if something is went wrong or any error or nothing, anything is there, it will show me. Since this is my dev org, so I don't have to bother about test coverage that it should be required more than 75%. So anyways, whenever if you are using any production org anything, the test coverage should be more than 75%. So say deploy successful. In status as well, I can see one by one component since I have taken only one. Now what I'll do, I'll go to my Apex classes. I'll see the class has came or not. Internet is slow. Since it is loading, what I'll do, I'll tell you the second thing just for a reference. What I'll do, I click on code. Here, if you see, you can see go to Apex Developer Guide. If you want to create an Apex class, custom object, static resource, everything. So here you can go ahead and select, and it also gives the syntax also. For trigger, I can write a trigger and I can select yeah, and you can save the thing. Yeah, my Apex class open. Now, yeah, we got it right. So this is the exact time, and I have deployed this class. So here we go. This was all about aside.io. Hope you like this video. If you have any queries, you can write this on my comment, or you can go to askforcetutorial.com. That is my blog. Thank you a lot.